In this video, I want to show you how to close your laptop lid without going to sleep mode. To do that is quite simple. So come to this power button, right click and click on power options. It will open this interface. Then come to here and click on choose what closing the lid does. When you click on it, it will bring these options. When your laptop is on battery, come to when I close the lid. Here, choose do nothing. Similarly, when your laptop is plugged in to power, come to when I close the lid. Choose do nothing. So which means when you close the lid of this laptop, it will not go to sleep mode. Then click on save changes. This is very useful when you want to continue downloading your software or game without your laptop going to sleep mode when you close the lid. Thank you for watching.